Today I'm going to show you how to sync Google Drive with your computer. So ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you want to do is go into your browser and search Google Drive download. Once you click on this, you will get onto this page and simply click on download Drive for desktop. It'll take a little while. You can see it's 240 megabytes. And once you are done, you will have then this pop up right over here. Click on get started, and now you need to sign in to your account. And if you don't have one, you could just create an account. So let's go ahead and sign in. We're going to go ahead, choose our account. From this page over here, we're going to just say sign in. You are just giving permissions for these two connections to happen. Here it is now said success. Woohoo! Let's go back to Google Drive. So let's just close this. Well, now see, it is setting up Google Drive. So it says, welcome to Google Drive. So here we can choose folders to sync from your computer. Now, these are some suggested folders, but you don't have to do this on your own. Now, you don't have to choose from here. You can go ahead and click on add folder, and this will open up File Explorer and allow you to choose your folder. So let's do that. I'm choosing this one right over here in Documents. I'm going to go ahead and click on select folder. Here, you can see that's right over there. I'm going to click on next, and it says the difference between sync to Google Drive and backup to Google Photos, right? So let's just click on got it. What we want to do is we want to not back up to Google Photos. We want to actually sync Google Drive because we might want to put PDF documents in there. We might want to put other media that maybe Google Photos doesn't support. So here we are going to go none of these. We're going to skip this. Then you'll see, just to confirm, this folder will sync to Drive. It's 1.7 meg. It's one folder. Go ahead, click on next. And quite simply over here, you'll see 3 files and 2 folders in my drive. Go ahead and click that and then say open drive. So here we are. This is now sort of like the main page. You can see over here it's syncing. And on the left hand side, you can open your drive folder. Here is your home page. There are some quick links, and then you can just view all of your shared files. Now, the folder that you have created and uploaded in here, all you need to do is physically add whatever it is that you need into that folder, and it'll automatically be opened or added to Google Drive. You can also go to sync activity. You can see everything that is being synced. And then there are some settings options here. So you can add offline files. You can see that there are some preferences as well. So once this opens, if you're going to preferences, you can go to my laptop, and here you can add additional folders in instead of adding files to this folder over here.